Looking for ways to save money on cinema tickets in the UK? Let's explore some affordable options to enjoy the big screen experience without breaking the bank. Loyalty cards offer excellent value for regular cinema goers. Odeon Limitless and Cineworld Unlimited provide unlimited films for a monthly fee, while Vue Movie Club and Picture House membership offer discounts and special perks. Matinee shows offer significant savings, with tickets up to 30% cheaper than evening screenings. These daytime showings, typically before 5 p.m. on weekdays, are less crowded and provide better seat selection at most major cinema chains. There are many other ways to save on cinema tickets. Meerkat Movies offers 2-for-1 deals on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, while students, seniors, and families can access special pricing. Many cinemas also offer promotional days with reduced ticket prices. Thank you for watching our guide to UK cinema ticket discounts. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more money-saving tips and resources. Thanks for your support.